glitter babes, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic and beautiful day. I said that with such emphasis, mostly because it has been a really long, exhausting day, and I was kind of just gonna come home, put the kids to bed, and just go to bed early, but this was on my doorstep. And when you have a subscription box on your doorstep, it's just wrong not to open it. So I have mustered all the strength that I have left and pulled myself together so that we can do this video for the September unboxing for the Kinder Beauty box. Now, before we begin, don't forget to subscribe below, set your notifications, not sure what side it is on. I really should figure that out one day. But set your notifications, subscribe, leave a comment. Sky's the limit. Just do what you want. Anyway, feeling a little sassy. So if I go crazy, just go with it. I'm already talking with my hands a lot. I know. I'm sorry, but I can't help it right now. So, Kinder Beauty box. Now, Kinder Beauty box, a couple of things you need to know. It is a monthly subscription. It is $24 a month. It might be $24.99. I think it's $24. $24 a month, and you're guaranteed to have at least $75 worth of value in each box of products. So you can get quite a bit more, but you're guaranteed at least that $75. So you're definitely getting what you've paid for in the box. Now, something extremely amazing, I know I said that angrily, I didn't mean to, but extremely amazing and important about Kinder Beauty box is that they are a clean box subscription. Now, what that means is that every single product inside the box is cruelty-free, vegan-free, all this free, parabens, chemicals, all that stuff. Basically, if it's good for you to put on your body, things you should be putting on your body, you're gonna find in these boxes. So I absolutely love that. And to kind of wrap up the trifecta as far as why Kinder Beauty box is amazing, one of the founders is Luna Lovegood in Harry Potter. And if that doesn't make you want to buy this box, let's go ahead and open it up together, and I'll show you all the amazing goodness and why you too should have your Kinder Beauty box. That was very spunky. I'm sorry. It's just, you know, can't help it. So, beautiful box, hashtag Kinder Beauty. When you open it up, it always has their logo, as well as their little saying that a kinder world is a more beautiful world, which is just so simple and so amazing and so heartfelt, and it just makes you feel good for getting this box, which I absolutely love. On the very top, it is our little pamphlet that tells us what products are going to be in the box, and as far as what value each product is, which I absolutely love because I feel like that's really important. It'll also tell you about the product, how to use it depending on the product. Here's all our stuff, and it's kind of a mess. I think had a hard time in shipping. So let's go ahead and start at the very top. Oh, I wonder if something broke. There's like, I don't know, powder or something. Okay, it says before you recycle this. It says, did you know? Did you know that each Plantioxidants bottle is made from 100% recycled plastic from roughly 3 water bottles? This means using Plantioxidants organic, sustainable skincare, okay, helps take care of you and the planet. Keep it up with this code. If you want the code, get yourself your own box. That was mean, I'm sorry. Keep it up with this code for 50% off your next order at plantioxidants.com, and thank you. So that's really cool. So you're able to go onto this website for this company for skincare products, and it looks like it's an all organic skincare line, and you get something 50% off. So that's pretty awesome. Next item right on the top looks like it's from NCLA, Los Angeles Designer Nail Wraps. It looks like they're ultra thin self-adhesive 26 instant nail fashion wraps. I've never used nail fashion wraps, but I feel like I should. I don't wear nail polish usually, but I like the idea of wearing nail polish. But something like this is probably better for you than the chemicals that are in nail polish. So kudos. Now, this, it looks like you could have gotten one of two designs. It looks like we got the cloud blue design, which is pretty. But there was also another design that was pink with little leaves, which is really pretty too. That's really fall. It looks like each one of them were $10. In the back, it tells you how to do it. Oh, cute. And it comes with the nail file. So, very excited to try. So, very interesting start. Let's see what else happens. The next item is from Inika. Inika Organics. It says it's a certified organic lip serum. How cool. It says that this is $27. Wait, where's the front of it? $27. Holy moly, that's the cost of your box. So you've got your value just in this one item. It says this lip serum boasts a beautiful blend of healing and regenerating items: rosehip oil, sea buckthorn, softening shea butter, antioxidant-rich green tea, and nourishing jojoba oil. Jojoba. Anything with jojoba sounds like it'd be fun. Anyway, you're supposed to use it on your natural lip, and it's a remedy for sore, chapped lips morning and night to create a gloss effect for you. So that's exciting. Ooh, and it's yellow. Ooh, and it's jelly. Can you guys? I don't know why that's fun, but it's kind of fun. It's like, okay. Long day. Don't judge. Now, looks like it goes on nice and clear. It does look like it kind of has that glossy yellow tint to it. Ooh, but it smells beautiful. It smells like, oh my goodness. It smells like lemon, but like lemon jam, you know? So the good kind of yummy lemon, not the really scary acidic kind. Anyway, can't wait to try. That sounds amazing. Perfect product. Next item. Okay, so Plantioxidants. So the same people who gave us our little 50% off code have also sent us a little product to try. It looks like it's a Power Seed Menagerie Cream. Rich and intense nourishment, and it is organic. I'm guessing that's products in there. And then it is a eye or facial cream. It says, holy crap, $100. This is $100. That is freaking amazing. I hope I love it. Oh, that's so cute. I always love when, I kind of tore it, but when they have like a little saying, it says, cherish your body and learn all that you can to do less bad, produce more good, and take care of the planet and others. Aww. I'm going to feel awfully awesome wearing your, oh, okay. Has a lid. Oh. Okay, so it's a beautiful, nice, pretty green color. Very simple, very sleek. I love the packaging. And it is a pushy, squirty. What is the word? It's, you know what it is. This thing, it has one of those. So it looks like, I don't know why I'm closing my eyes, like a lot's gonna come out. It smells very good. So it looks like it is a cream, but it almost goes on as a serum, which I absolutely love. And it is so soft, so hydrating. It's very herbally, very herbally, fresh scented, just almost aromatherapy. That's what it smells like. It almost smells like aromatherapy, like essential oils, and it smells beautiful. I cannot wait to try this. If anything, I am stoked for this box for this one item. So super duper excited. So we have 2 more things in our box, and I think I figured out what the problem is. I think one of the, oh no, okay. Looks like one of the products broke. It looks like this is from Sandstone. Oh no, okay, yeah, I think, well, crap-a-doodle-doo. This is from Sandstone. It says highlighter, don't hide, and it looks like we got the color gold. Love me a good highlighter. Super sad that it's demolished. As you can see, it looks like this was supposed to be pressed. So you can see in the picture, it was $24. And it is a highlighter, soft and creamy texture with a lot of pigmentation. Does not contain perfume, etheric oils, or parabens, and it's safe to use on sensitive skin. So super duper bummed, but I feel like if I reach out to them, they might send me something else. There's the color. Woo! That is pigmented. I like it. Course, it came on really flaky, but that's because it's completely broken, and it has a really pretty gold shimmer to it. Can't really tell on my very pale arm, but I feel like if you put some on, it would be beautiful. So definitely gonna reach out to them, see what they can do. Kind of really bummed, especially since it's one of the higher priced products in our box. Definitely want to make sure that I'm getting products that aren't broken. So last item, empty box, is a sheet mask. Now I love sheet mask. Now this is Pour Green Tea Mud Sheet Mask. It looks like it is a peel off 3D mask, and it's cleanse, hydrates. Yes, it looks like you could have had 2 different options. Either the green one, which is what we got, or the pink one. It looks like the pink one focused more on lift, I guess, which I could have used some of that, but very happy with the one we got. It says that it is made out of 100% natural mud from South Korea's Taiwan area. This mud power firms and protects your skin from environmental pollutants. And it contains natural minerals, as well as known for its effectiveness in moisturizing the skin and removing impurities and micro dust. It is $4 and can't wait to try it. Has the nifty little instructions in the back. So there we go. That was our September Kinder Beauty box. I liked it. I know that you're probably thinking, you didn't really get very much items in your box. But if you're thinking about it, it's a $25 monthly box. It's a great starter box, especially if you're on a budget or you're not really wanting to splurge on those higher end subscription boxes. And if you think about it, every single item in here is good for your skin. It's good for your body. And this kind of stuff is expensive. I'm not gonna go to the store and spend $100 on a face cream, even though I should. So knowing that they're thinking about that and giving things to people that they know is good for them, I like it. I proved this box. It was amazing. I cannot wait for our October box. Yes, that comes after September. Our October box. Let me know what you guys think. I mean, did you guys have a favorite item? Let me know if you have ever had a broken item in your Kinder Beauty box and what you did. Whatever you guys want to tell me. Just tell me something. Anyway, okay, I'm going to go to bed before I go crazy cuckoo, like I already have. But thank you for joining me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see or a specific box. I am open to all and everything. And good night.